Hey everyone, welcome back to Math with Mr. DJ. If dividing fractions has ever made you question your life choices, don't worry, you're in the right place. Around here, we're going to break down step by step, so it makes it simple, clear, and maybe even a little fun. Here's the key idea you need to know. We don't actually divide fractions. We multiply by the reciprocal. Wait, what is a reciprocal? Well, before we move on, let's quickly talk about what a reciprocal is. A reciprocal is just flipping a fraction. That's it. You switch the numerator and the denominator. So 3/4 becomes 4/3, 5/2 becomes 2/5, and if you have a whole number like 3, you turn it into a fraction first. So 3 is the same as 3/1, and so the reciprocal is 1/3. Think of it like flipping the fraction upside down. Remember, whenever you multiply a number by its reciprocal, you always get 1. And that's exactly what we do when we divide fractions. We multiply by the reciprocal. All right, let's get back to dividing fractions. First, we turn mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then we keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, flip the second fraction. That's it. 2.5. We're going to multiply 2 times 2 is 4. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. So 2.5 equals 5/2. Now rewrite the problem. 5/2 divided by 3. Turn 3 into a fraction. So 3 is 3/1. Now we use keep, change, flip. 5/2 divided by 3/1 becomes 5/2 times 1/3. See, we flip the 3/1 to 1/3. Now multiply straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. So we get 5/6. And that's your answer. All right, now let's level up. Example number 2. 1.5 divided by 2 1/4. All right, so step 1, you're going to convert both mixed numbers. So the first one, we're going to do 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1.5 equals 3/2. All right, second one. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 2 1/4 equals 9/4. Now remember, when we're dividing with fractions, we just use keep, change, flip. You keep the first fraction, you change the division sign to multiplication, and you flip the second fraction, using its reciprocal. So 3/2 times 4/9. Now again, just multiply straight across. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18. So we get 12/18. Now 12/18 can be simplified. So let's do that. We want to divide 12 and 18 by their greatest common factor, which is 6. It's the number that hops into both of them. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So our final answer is 2/3. Nice and clean. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's do 3 2/5 divided by 1.5. Remember, step 1, let's convert both numbers from mixed numbers to improper fractions. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 3 2/5 equals 17/5. Next, 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 1.5 equals 3/2. Now let's rewrite it all. 17/5 divided by 3/2. Don't forget, when you're dividing with fractions, you keep, change, flip. So keep the 17/5. Change the division to multiplication. And then you flip the 3/2 to 2/3. So we get 17/5 times 2/3. Now again, multiply straight across. 17 times 2 equals 34. 5 times 3 equals 15. So we get 34/15. All right, so 34/15 is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. So you need to think about it like, how many 15/15 can you pull out of 34/15? All right, and another way to think about it is 34/15 is 34 divided by 15. 15 can hop into 34 2 times for 30 with 4 left over. So your final answer is 2 4/15. That's it. All right, let's review the steps. Step 1, convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Step 2, keep, change, flip. Step 3, multiply straight across. Step 4, simplify and convert if needed. If you follow those steps, dividing mixed numbers becomes way easier. No stress, no guessing, just clear process. Okay, so if this video helped you understand dividing mixed numbers, make sure you hit that like button so that more students can find this video, so that I can help more students. And don't forget, subscribe to Math with Mr. DJ, where we make math simple, clear, and actually understandable.